Good evening, dear brothers and sisters. I'm John. I'm from Visakhapatnam. So my profession is I'm a professional musician. I work for Telugu film industry with the various music directors. I work as conductor. I'm an instrumental player, and still I'm in the line. At the same time, when our God's prayer I came on a visit for 1 month for various commercial programs. I have finished all my programs in Pittsburgh and some Virginia and different places. And tomorrow I'm supposed to leave from this place. And I'm very fortunate to meet my old friend, Mr. Brother Jaishir. He's from New Jersey. Most of you might be knowing him. And I thank him for bringing me all the way here. And I really thank God for meeting you all this evening. So actually I'm not a vocal artist, I'm not a singer, just I make others to, I tell the tune to other singers and I make them to sing. But today, so God has given me an opportunity to sing here before you. I thank God and I thank you all for giving me this opportunity. This is a song, Divi Nelu O Raja. This is a music anta kuda track anta nenu intlo cheskunnanu. Sitar, violins anni kuda nenu feed cheskoni aa track cheskunnanu. I request to play on the start the track. Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity.
థ్యాంక్ యూ బ్రదర్. దేవుడు మిమ్మల్ని ఇంకా బహుగా వాడుకోవాలని మనకు ప్రార్థన. థ్యాంక్ యూ. మధ్యలో పాస్టర్